Honorable Manager Reverend Dr. Grimpal Lenthaparambal, very respected Principal Miss Mary Diana, esteemed teaching faculty, beloved parents, and my dear little tiny tots. At last, this beautiful day has arrived, the beginning of a new academic year. I wish you all a fruitful year. I am extremely privileged to have this opportunity to welcome you all to this auspicious occasion. I am delighted to welcome our beloved manager, Reverend Dr. Grimpal Lenthaparambal. You are a man with a great vision. Your endless care and support prove that you are a great leader. We are really blessed to have a manager like you. Hearty welcome, Father, to this official opening of a new academic year. It is indeed a great pleasure to welcome our principal, Miss Mary Diana. You came in this school as a teacher. Your talent in transmission of everlasting cheerfulness made us to uphold you as a vice principal. And at last, you proved that leaders are made, they are not born. Your heartling helped you to decorate the seat of the principal. Yes, miss, you are truly an inspiration to us. Hearty welcome, miss, to this new academic year. It's my great honor to welcome the amazing teaching faculty to the upcoming academic activities. With immense pleasure, I welcome our dear parents to the world of Santa Cruz. At last, but not least, on this occasion, a fraternal welcome to all the twinkle stars of Santa Cruz Kids World to this new and excited academic year. Once again, a hearty welcome to all of you.
Dear respected Principal, Miss Mary Diana, dear teaching and non-teaching staff, dear parents, and my dear loving children, we now stand at the threshold of a new academic year. Even in the midst of the pandemic challenge, I welcome you all to this new academic year 2021-22. I wish you all a fruitful year ahead. Dream, struggle, create, and prevail. Be daring, be brave, be loving, be compassionate, be strong, be brilliant, be truthful, and beautiful. May God bless us all. Thank you.
Good morning, most respected manager, Reverend Dr. Grimpal Lenthaparambal, dear parents, dear teachers, and my dear children. Every year, when school is about to reopen, a sadness prevails for a short moment, as you may be missing your friends, cousins, with whom you would have spent a significant amount of time. But this year, due to the pandemic, you may not have those worries. Yet, whatever be the situation, when the school reopens, the spirit of curiosity and enthusiasm prevails over everything. You are up to a new class with renewed spirit, and I hope all of you are determined to do this year more better than the previous. Dear children, fall in love with the subjects that you hate most, and the results will be a miracle. Dear teachers, we make their future in this era of intolerance. We are empowered by God to mold them to be better citizens, rooted in knowledge. Let us ourselves plunge deeper into the depth of knowledge and bring out precious stones from our children. I welcome you all to have a fruitful year. Thank you.
Gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but the parent of all the others. It is my privilege to propose the words of gratitude on this special occasion. If there is gratitude in our heart, then there will be tremendous sweetness in our eyes. First of all, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our distinguished personality, Reverend Father Dr. Grimpad Lenthaparambil, for giving this event such a grace. Thank you, Father, for your prized time and worthwhile words. A warm thanks goes to our respected principal, Diana Ma'am, for your valuable guidance and contribution. Without your encouragement, we would not be able to give our best. Thank you, Diana Ma'am, for your constant support and care. Heartfelt thanks goes to Miss Desi and Miss Susni for your cooperation and support. I thank every teachers for putting effort from planning to success of this program. Our special thanks goes to our parents. We are deeply thankful for the cooperative and supportive parents. Finally, I would like to thank our shining stars of Santa Cruz Kids World for your support. Thank you.